Hey guys, welcome to my channel, WIG speaking. Welcome back if you're returning, and if you're new, I'm so happy to see you here. It's Wig Wednesday, so you know what time it is, and if you don't know, it's basically me installing and reviewing wigs on Wednesday. Okay, today we're going to be reviewing this unit from Luvme hair, so if you're interested, continue watching. Okay, before we get into the video, let's talk about the unit a bit. So they sent me one of their AiryFit scalp care wigs, specifically the silky straight middle part, snug fit, glueless 5x5 closure, pre-cut lace long wig. That was a mouthful. But this particular AiryFit wigs basically have thinner caps that the wig is made with that makes it more comfortable and easy to wear for a long period of time. I'm really just so excited to try it out, and now I'm just gonna let you guys watch me install the hair. Okay, I'm sorry, I have to interrupt and talk about these wig caps. They were so thin, and I honestly think they would be perfect for bald cap methods. Okay, here I am checking that I don't have a hump because of my locks, and I think I did good. But okay, let's go back to the install. Guys, I have to comment on the lace itself. So this is a 5x5 closure wigs, and if you know me or if you know my channel, you know that I prefer closure wigs over frontal wigs because I just feel like frontals are more difficult to work with. But for this particular wig, not only do you have the 5x5 lace, but you also have extra lace on the edges that's covering where you're supposed to have tracks. Like, can you imagine? So if you're the type that prefers a more frontal look, or you just prefers frontal in general, you might really just prefer this wig because not only do you have the closure, you have the sides as well to give you that frontal look if you style it well enough. Okay, so I'm glad that this would work well for someone who likes a frontal wig and for someone like me who prefers a closure wig. Okay, and I also want to point out the fact that honestly it did not come with any baby hairs, and I love it because just look how natural it looks. It literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. you guys cannot tell me anything. Like, the wig looks really good, and it's not just on camera, even in person. But yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now and you guys can continue the video. Y'all, I'm so sorry to interrupt again, but do you guys see how good this looks? Like, I was in love. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, the unit just looked really good, and then now my makeup also added just looked really good. And like, if you had to ask like which one looked better, it was given na collabo. Like, literally, I just look so good. Okay, I might as well just go ahead and tell y'all how I feel about the wig. Okay, so I loved working with the wig. It was pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. Like, I just love when my life is easy and my install is seamless. I don't have to do too much. So shout out to Luvme Hair for doing all the, you know, hard work and giving me the hair just ready to go. Not only that, but then the lace on this wig is really good. I did not have to do too much to melt it. I just literally just had like my foundation and then a little bit of holding spray, and that was it. And just like the lace, the quality of the hair eats too. It's so soft. I can work with it. There's a little bit of tangling, but I think that's probably just because of how long it was, but nothing like outrageous. So again, I really like the quality of the hair. I was even able to do like a braid down. Like, I didn't end up liking the braid down, but the fact that, you know, I was able to do this just shows you how much you can style the hair, how you can manipulate the hair, and it will still look super good. Okay, and honestly, I own quite a few Luvme wigs, and I know the quality of the hair. I know it's good, so I never actually expect a bad hair. But honestly, this one was really like, it exceeded my expectation. This was honestly better than I thought. I was really wanting a middle part bust down wig, and this delivered perfectly. Like, I'm gonna be wearing this for the next couple of, you know, outings that I go, because y'all are gonna see me in this. Okay, it just looks so good. If you like this wig as well and you'd like to shop, click the link in the description box for the exact unit. You can use code WORRY for 28% off on the Luvme website for any wig that you want. However, if you're specifically interested in the AiryFit wig collection, okay, you can use the code WORRY32 for 32% off. Okay, that is all that I have for you guys today. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Okay, thank you guys so much for tuning in today, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.